Car is being prepared for the trip to Vernasca. This is Herr Möll discussing with his car prep guy. This is a restoration on a 2-liter car underway here. Very nice, huh? Here's the bodywork on the 2-liter car that's being restored, the 4-headlight version. Just changed the white balance to a little more accurate color here. This is a 71 car with a mid-engine mounting. This is a 68 car with a so-called outboard mounting or rear engine. This is the relay. Mm-hmm. This car is original. He's saying these are the original racing seats.
Was de exhibition voor de autocars met zijn Auto verhuurd bericht, wenn der Senator gekauft wird.
Ich habe es noch gesagt, jetzt nicht oben.
So, ja.
Er soll ihn holen, separat.
Ja.
Oder ob er es verbringen. Ich sage, nein, ich kann ihn holen.
Says this car is from Venezuela and doesn't have any super interesting racing history. It is original Abarth car because of the stamping you can see. This was the drag racer that had the 500 meters and 1 kilometer acceleration record.
Now Abarth had no money to make advertising. It's too big to do, was too expensive to make advertising in all the magazines.
Mm-hmm.
So he had took the journalists
Yes.
who are able to drive a car, who were sports journalists, who were also racing, and he took them in a car. He puts them in a car for long distance races with this kind of cars, up to 72 hours. And
Another record car. This is the closest resemblance I can get for accurate color. It's probably more of a deeper yellow than this. Yes, uh-huh.
Perfect kind of trip.
Mm-hmm.
You've seen several places, I think.
Yes, uh-huh. We have a double bubble. This is in a deep red burgundy.
It was a lady car. Single camshaft. There were at least 2,500 made, at least.
Oh, uh-huh.
And then I think about the same figure, same shifter, about 850. I think about 5,000 together.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And of the Corsa, the 1,000 Corsas, is it known?
No.
Does it? Anybody know how many of those they made?
No, I don't know exactly.
2,000 in America. This was the V12 engine Abarth was building.
It's only one existing from 3 produced.
Here's the Coupe America engine.
Look in the papers about, let me think, about 18, 19 years.
Oh, uh-huh. It's a Simca Abarth. He bought in the States 18 or 19 years ago. This was a works car that ran in the 12 hours of Sebring and then was sold there.
This is
There's an
the
earlier car.
earlier car, and then the next is still the round, but with 3 rows behind of louvers. With the large wings and air inlets.
Mhm. Doppelzündung, das heißt twin spark plugs?
Yes. Mhm.
These are all pictures of this red car. It raced at Le Mans in '62, huh?
Yeah,
And it won the 3 hours of Sebring, and
62.
it looks like it must have crashed, huh? And rolled. The top is crushed. It was blue then, huh? So dunkelblau. This would appear to be Sebring here, actually, yeah. Here's a round tail 1000 with early round tail, and there's this Sebring Le Mans car with a basically a rounded tail over the ducktail type engine cover. Now, is this yellow one, is this a Zagato-bodied car or a Corna? The yellow one, is it by Zagato or
Yeah.
Corna?
Yes. Jakob Monks of Zagato.
This is an alloy-bodied Sestriere next to the record Monza. Here's the record Monza rear and the Sestriere rear. And the double bubble rear. So when did you start collecting Abarths? Many years ago?
No,
Oh.
too late. When I started about 17.
By then they were starting to become valuable, huh?
Museum Home.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only one I...
So most of the other cars that people have.
Original TCR.
This 1000 Corsa there, Berlina, is that the street driven?
Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
These are Stradale cars, 850 and then Stradale 1000. Here's an over. This is 850 TC. This one's for sale actually. It also has a two-piece. So that's the one I filmed first. It's got the radiator in here still and the oil cooler and everything. And this is his Abarth 1000 Stradale. The other ones he has are the other one is a Corsa, and then you have the TCR. And this one is like a 903 type sump actually. The 850 car, with an 850 block, not a AH block, or H, or the 1000 cars. I don't see any Abarth stamped on this one. Mm-hmm.
That's the only one
So most of the other cars that people have.
Original TCR.
This 1000 Corsa there, Berlin, is that?
Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm.
Over here.
Just to have a small car with some more performance.
Is that
I guess it says Abarth 210 there, yeah.
55.
I don't know if it shows up on the video, but you can barely see it. Abarth 210 and the serial number. Barely. This car is original. He's saying these are the original racing seats.
Go to the exhibition for those cars which is auch unverhört bericht, wenn der Senator gekauft wird.
Ich habe es einmal gesagt, jetzt nicht oben.
So, ja.
Also wenn man holen, separat.
Ja.
Oder eben wenn es verbringen. Nein, ich kann nicht holen.
Mhm. Ja.
So this car is from Venezuela and doesn't have any super interesting racing history. It is original Abarth car because of the stamping you can see.
I don't think so anymore. No, it's too expensive.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. I had it more expensive.
Mm-hmm.
No. For an air-cooled four-cylinder engine, it's crazy. And in which conditions they are, and in the meantime, they are, I have been told, it's restored in no time. Yes. Then it was it
OT 1300, of course. It's the 1300 OT inside. It's another 2000 Sport. It's another 1300 OT. So Henry has 3 of these 2000 OTs in his collection. These 2 plus the one we saw previously. It's going to be restored. It's Carlo Abarth's personal car, the 2300 Fiat. Alpha SZ. The Abarth SZ interior. The 1000 Biposto. What kinds of Abarths did you race? Oh, huh. Is this the car that was in this show here? This car was in the Geneva Motor Show. See a picture of it here.